Hey everyone, Namaste, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to my channel, Deep's Home Life. Hope you are all doing well. So today I am sharing a easy peasy yellow moong dal recipe, moong lentil recipe with secret ingredient and sharing one tips also here. So let's start. But before that, if you are new here, please do subscribe my channel where I am sharing a normal Indian Gujarati daily use recipe and some of Western recipe also. Now let's start. Heat oil, add curry leaves, whole jeera. Once it's crackled, add chopped tomato, chopped chili. I like to add some chopped curry leaves also here. It's totally optional. And ginger paste. That's it. Now add salt to taste. So this is the secret here. This is the tips here for this video. When you add tomato in cooking, you have to add salt same time. So salt draws the water out and allowing more flavor to reveal and giving a sweeter taste. Now let it cook for a while. Now add all masalas, haldi, red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, dhana jeera powder. Mix it well. And after 1 minute, add boiled moong dal with water as desired consistency. And add salt to taste. And now secret ingredient that gives this dal more delicious flavor, and that is fenugreek leaves. Yes, correct. It's methi bhaji. You have to add a fresh chopped methi bhaji leaves, fenugreek leaves, and mix it well. Trust me, you're gonna love it. Let it cook for a while, and lastly add lemon juice and serve hot. And enjoy with rice or roti. That's it. Enjoy! Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. See you soon. Till then, take care. Bye. Annyeong.